Hello and welcome to the Pacific Echo. For this video, I am going to show you how to calculate the value of sine, cos and tan in this given right angle triangle for the angle marked here. Alright, so the first thing you have to do or you have to know is this famous SOH CAH TOA rule. So, which is the opposite over the hypotenuse, CAH is the adjacent over the hypotenuse, and TOA is the opposite over the adjacent. So you have to know this simple, very simple rule. Alright, so there we go. Let's start with finding the value of sine. So we have sine theta is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse. Alright, so opposite with respect to this given angle here, the opposite side is 12 centimeter. So we have 12 and the hypotenuse is 20 centimeters, so we have 20 here. So 12 divided by 20, you can use a calculator. So 12 divided by 20 is 0.6. There we go. Alright, so now let's calculate the value of cos. So we have cos theta is equals to the adjacent over the hypotenuse. Alright, so again with respect to this given angle, the adjacent side is 16 centimeters, so we have 16, and hypotenuse again is 20 centimeters, so we have 20 here. Now 16 divided by 20, you again can use a calculator there. 16 divided by 20 is 0.8. Alright, so now let's find the tangent. 10. So we have tan theta is equals to the opposite over the adjacent. So again with respect to this given angle here, the opposite side is 12 centimeters, so we have 12, and again the adjacent side is 16, so we have 16 within here, and 12 divided by 16 is equal to 0.75. There we go.